Assalamu alaikum, class 7. Today we have to do the question number 4 of the revision of algebra. So the question number 4 is that we have to multiply these terms. 1 to 6 parts we have to multiply the two terms. Part number 1 is 3x plus 2 and x minus 1. We have to find their multiplication. So 3x plus 2 times x minus 1. So 3x is going to be multiplied with the whole bracket x minus 1 and positive 2 is going to be multiplied with x minus 1 with the whole bracket. Now 3x times x, that is 3x square, because the powers will be added. 3x square negative 3x plus 2x minus 2 ones are 2. Now 3x square negative 3x plus 2x plus minus minus 3 minus 2 1x, and the sign of the larger term, that is minus x minus 2, is the product of these terms. Part number 2 is 5x minus 7 and 3x plus 5. So we have to find their multiplication. So 5x minus 7 times 3x plus 5. 5x is going to be multiplied with the whole bracket, that is 5x times 3x plus 5, and negative 7 times 3x plus 5. Now 5 3 is 15. Powers will be added, that is x square. 5x times 5, that is 25x. Minus 7 3 is 21x. Minus plus minus 7 5 is 35. Now we have to solve the like term, that is 25x minus 21x. So 15x square as it is, plus minus minus 25 minus 21, that is 4x. Negative 35 is the product of these terms. Part number 3 is 2x minus 5y and 7x plus 3y. We have to find the multiplication. So 2x minus 5y times 7x plus 3y. Now 2x is going to be multiplied with the whole bracket, 2x times 7x plus 3y. Negative 5y is going to be multiplied with the whole bracket, that is minus 5y times 7x plus 3y. Now 2 7s are 14, x square plus 3 2s are 6, xy, negative 5 7 are 35, xy plus minus minus 5 3 is 15, y square. Now the like terms are 6xy negative 35xy. So we have to solve it. So 14x square negative 35 positive 6 plus minus minus 35 minus 6, that is 29, and the sign of the larger term, that is negative minus 15y square, is the answer. Next part is question number 4, x plus ab and 2x minus 7ab. So we have to write like this, x plus ab times 2x minus 7ab. Now x is going to be multiplied with the whole bracket, x times 2x minus 7ab, plus ab is going to be multiplied with the whole bracket, plus ab times 2x minus 7ab. Now 2x square negative 7abx positive 2abx plus minus minus 7a square b square. Now 2x square negative plus minus minus 7 minus 2 5, and the sign of the larger term, that is 5abx, negative 5abx, negative 7a square b square, is the answer. The next part is part number 5, a cube over 3 negative ab over 2 and a plus b. So we have to write like this, a cube over 3 negative ab over 2 times a plus b. Now a cube over 3 is going to be multiplied with the a plus b, and negative ab over 2 is going to be multiplied with a plus b. So after the multiplication, we get a cube into a, that is a power 4 over 3 positive a cube b over 3 negative a square b over 2 plus minus minus a b square over 2. This is the answer because there are no like terms. Part number 6 is 3a square minus 4 and 4a square plus 1. 3a square minus 4 times 4a square plus 1, 3a square times 4a square plus 1, negative 4 times 4a square plus 1. 4 3s are 12, a power 4 plus 3a square times a, that is 3a square, negative 4 4 is 16, a square plus minus minus 4 times 1, that is 4. 3a square and negative 16a square are the like terms. So 12a power 4 plus minus minus 16 minus 3, that is 13, and the sign of the larger term, a square negative 4, this is the required answer. Question number 5 is, if x plus a times x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b times x plus ab. This is the formula that is given in the question. So we have to determine m plus 4 times m minus 3 according to this formula and find its numerical value when m equals to minus 2. So simply we have to put the given formula for these terms, for this product, and then we have to put the numerical value m is equals to -2 to get the numerical value of this product. So the formula is given, the question is that x plus a times x plus b, that is equals to x square plus a plus b times x plus ab. So we have to find the product of m plus 4 times m minus 3. So according to this formula, here the value of x is m, so that means x square is replaced by m square, plus a is 4 and b is 3. b is -3. So a plus b means 4 minus 3. X is replaced by m. ab means 4 and minus 3. So 4 times minus 3. That is the required answer is m square plus 4 minus 3, that is 1. So 1m can be written as simple m minus plus minus minus 4 to the 12. So this is the product of these terms. But now we have to find the numerical value when m equals to -2. So we have to simply put the value of m, that is -2. So -2 square plus into -2 minus 12. -2 square, that is -2 times -2 minus minus positive, that is positive 4 plus minus minus 2 minus 12. Now 4 minus 2, that is 2. 2 minus 12, that is -10. So -10 is the numerical value of this product. Question number 6 is given that x plus a times x plus b times x plus c equals to x cube plus a plus b plus c times x square plus ab plus bc plus ca times x plus abc. The formula is given. Now we have to find the product of these terms by using this formula, and after finding the product we have to find the numerical value when p equals to -1. So the formula is given. We have to firstly write the formula that is given in the question. Then we have to find the value of p plus 1 times p minus 2 p plus 3 equals to. So here x is replaced with p. So we have to write x cube, write p cube, plus a is positive 1, b is -2 and c is positive 3. So a plus b plus c means 1 minus 2 plus 3. 1 minus 2 plus 3. P square, because x square is replaced by p. ab means a into b, that is positive 1 -2 times minus 2 plus bc. bc means -2 times 3, that is -6. ca, it means 3 times 1, that is 3. X is replaced by p. abc means the product of a and b and c. So it means the product of 1 into -2 into plus 3, that is -6. Now we have to simplify it. P cube as it is plus 1 minus 2, that is -1. -1 plus 3, that is positive 2. So 2p square plus, we have to open the bracket just, -2 plus minus -6 plus 3 times p minus 6. Now p cube plus 2p square -2 minus 6, that is -8. -8 plus 3, that is -5p -6. Now we have to put the value of p, that is -1, in the product. So p cube, it means -1 cube plus 2 times -1 square minus 5 times -1 minus 6. -1 cube means -1 times -1 times -1. So minus minus positive, positive negative negative. So -1. -1 square means positive 1. So 2 ones are 2. Minus minus positive, 5 ones are 5 and -6. -1 plus 2, that is positive 1, and plus 5 -6, that means -1, because the sign of the larger term, and 1 minus 1 will be cancelled out and you will get the 0 as answer. The last question of this lecture is the question number 7. Find the products in the following cases using the rule for the special products, that is a plus b into a minus b, and you already know that the a plus b times a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Now we have to use this formula to find the product of these terms. So the first part is 3a plus 2 times 3a minus 2. So we have to apply the formula a plus b times a minus b, and we will get a square minus b square. So 3a plus 2 times 3a minus 2 will be equals to 3a whole square minus 2 whole square, that is 3 square 9, a square is a square, 9a square minus 4 is the answer. The second part is 4x plus 5 times 4x minus 5. So we have to apply the same formula, 4x whole square negative 5 whole square, and we will get 4x whole square minus into 5 whole square. So 4x square is equals to 16x square negative 25 is the answer. Part number 3 is that 1 over 3x plus 1 over 2y, 1 over 3x negative 1 over 2y. By using the same formula, a plus b into a minus b, we will get a square minus b square. So we will get 1 over 3x whole square negative 1 over 2y whole square. So 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9x square, so 1 over 9x square minus 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4, so negative 1 over 4y square. This is our required answer. The last part is that part number 4, 2a square plus 3b square times 2a square minus 3b square. By using the same formula, we will get 2a square whole square minus 3b square whole square. So 2 square is 4 and a square is a power 4. Negative 3 square is 9, b square power square, that is b power 4. So 4a power 4 minus 9b power 4 is the required answer. So students, I hope you will understand the lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.